The housing market is shaped by many factors, but two of the biggest are interest rates and economic conditions. When rates are low, home ownership becomes more affordable, pushing prices up. When rates rise, affordability drops, cooling the market. But what happens when a trade war disrupts the economy? When interest rates are low, borrowing is cheaper. Buyers can afford larger mortgages, which increases demand and pushes home prices up. But when rates rise, mortgage costs increase, reducing affordability and causing home prices to stabilize or decline. A trade war between Canada and the U.S. creates economic instability. When tariffs increase, the cost of goods rises, companies cut jobs, and the economy slows down. While this uncertainty can hurt businesses, it also presents an opportunity for buyers looking to enter the market or upgrade their homes. If the economy slows, home prices tend to drop. That's bad news if you're selling, but a great opportunity if you're looking to buy at a lower price. Whether you're a first-time buyer or upgrading to a bigger home, lower home prices mean getting more for your money. A trade war can also drive up costs for home builders. If materials like lumber and steel become more expensive due to tariffs, new home construction may slow down. This limits supply, meaning that even as demand drops, prices may not fall as much as expected. If the economy rebounds and tariffs ease, the housing market could heat up again. In a strong economy, selling high can be profitable. But if you're buying another property, expect to pay a premium too. Trade tensions can also affect banks. If economic uncertainty grows, lenders may tighten mortgage requirements, making it harder for some buyers to qualify. Higher risk means stricter loan conditions and fewer approved buyers. The best time to buy or sell isn't just about market trends, it's about your financial situation. If a trade war or high interest rates create uncertainty, those who are financially stable may find a window of opportunity to buy at a lower price and set themselves up for long-term gains. Whether you're buying, selling, or waiting, knowledge is power. Understanding how interest rates, economic shifts, and trade policies affect real estate helps you make smarter moves. Want to see real estate insights in action? Visit lifestylevideos.com, where we break down market trends, feature home tours, and provide expert advice through engaging videos. Stay informed and make your move wisely.